Hello everyone, I have a question. Three springs with the same constant connected in series and parallel shown in the figure, and a 2 kilograms object attached at one end of a spring shown in figure below. Spring constant is K1, K2, K3 are 300 Newton per meter, which are identical. With what is the change of the lines of the three spring if the acceleration of the gravity is 10 meter per second square? To solve this equation, we need first to remember the Hooke's law. Why Hooke's law? Because we want to find the change of the lines. Hooke's law states that F equals minus kx. In this equation, we just focus on F. We neglect the minus, so F equal kx. The second step, we need to find out the equivalent spring. To find the equivalent spring, we need to evaluate one by one. We have K equivalent 1 in here because in first part the spring connected parallel, and after it connected parallel we have K equivalent 2, which is the spring are connected series. So first we're gonna focus on to find K equivalent 1, which is the spring connected parallelly. So K parallel in this part. Okay, according to the concept, K parallel will be just add K1 and K2 because K1 and K2 connected parallelly. So K1 and K2 is 300. We just add all of them and the result will be 600 Newton per meter. And after that we have the spring connected such this condition. Alright, so we have K equivalent 1, which is parallel connection between K1 and K2 and connected parallel to the K3 in here. So K equivalent 2, I mean K spring constant equivalent 2 will be series connection, that is Ks connected series. So 1 per Ks will equal to 1 per K equivalent 1 plus spring constant of the third spring here. Okay. Alright, so we take the result from the equivalent one, which is 600. 1 per 600 we have plus 1 per 300. So it's gonna be easy. We choose the denominator 600, and 600 divided by 600 is 1, and 600 divided by 300 will be 2. So we have 3 divided by 600. So which means K series gonna be 600 divided by 3. We have 200 100 Newton per meter. Okay, so we see here the result. The spring connected in a series will be springly, which means more elastic, since the result, will the result of spring constant lower than the I mean the first result. After that, we can we find out that the object can be illustrated as this condition. We have a spring equivalent to, which is Ks, 200 Newton per meter. In here 200 Newton per meter, and there is a weight acting on the object, which is the force here. The mass of the object is 2 kilograms, and obviously the weight of the object is 20 Newton, since we know that the weight is mass times gravity. And the last step, we use to find the extension exactly. To find the extension, we use the first equation that we have, that F equal Kx. K here is the equivalent spring constant. K equivalent 2. Right? And we have the force is force in this part. The force is the weight, which is 20 Newton, equals 200 that we have, 200 Newton per meter, and multiple by the extension. The extension will 20 divided by 200, so it is equal to 1 per 10 meter, or the extension will 0.1 meter. In centimeter, it's gonna be 10 centimeter, so that the extension of 3 springs will equal to 10 centimeter, or 0.1 meter. So we have a result according to this part. The result will be 10 centimeter or 0.1 meter. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.